Oh, what's up guys? Alright, so for today we're going to be finishing off this pair of black Air Force 1's with that off-white cherry blossom custom. But before we get started, check out the lights. So I decided to turn on the lights for this video because I just want to try things out, because in my previous videos, let me show you. It was like this, like, you know, it's kind of dark. I wanted to get that dark, cool kind of vibe, but I wasn't sure if like that lighting was, you know, good enough. The color is kind of like off from what I expected. So lights on, let me know what you guys think, because I want to improve in every single one of my video. So yeah, let's get this video started. Wait, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so I am going to finish painting the rest of the cherry blossoms. As you can see, they are unfinished and it's pretty sunny outside, so it's a great way to start. And I'm going to, you know, pour in all the colors I need, fill in the flowers with a darker pink and a lighter pink, get that nice gradient color. It's, yeah, you know, try to make it as realistic as it can be. I'm using a toothpick right now because I don't have the micro brushes. They're coming in today. I'm feeling pretty hungry right now, so intermission, gotta make myself something to eat. Alright, so we back. So right now I am going to polish off the edges of the flowers with black paint, make it nice and crisp. Now, you know, I painted the branches. It's kind of like, you know, light brown, dark brown, and I'm going to add some leaves to it. Alright, my hair's a little bit messy, but we are finally finished with this pair of shoes. It's looking nice and crisp. I hope my friend likes it because she's picking it up today, and I hope you guys enjoy the customization as well. And if you guys do, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Help your boy out. I'm trying to, you know, I'm hoping to get 100 subscribers in the following week or so, and it would be so great if you guys can help me out with that. You know, it'll be my first 100 subscribers. Wouldn't that be cool? But yeah, check out the montage for this finished product, and I'll see you guys soon.